Taiwan. I'm now in my hotel room. I'm in room 2018. And yeah, I'm so tired. I want to lay down here in my bed. But I need to fix my stuff before I rest. But I want to go out because, you know, it's still sunny outside. Sayang naman. Okay. So this is my bag. I'm gonna be unpacking everything. And yeah, this is how I look. I look so bad. It's now 5:21. We're gonna go for dinner at 7-ish. I added this because sobrang lamig sis. And I just ko na yung aircon. And I know it's gonna be more cold when I'm outside later because gabi na. And yeah, I added this and also gonna wear my other jacket. Now I'm currently playing something on the TV. This is like Peppa Pig, pero hindi ko maintindihan yung sinasabi nila. I'm just scrolling on my phone and laying down. Kasi ang lamig. I'm tired. I don't know why. Maybe it's the bedroom. It's the hotel room. Or maybe I'm just too tired. My body is still recovering after that massive flu. But my body's not showing signs of excitement. I'm in Taiwan. I should be really pumped up. But all that I'm thinking about right now is my cats. I miss my cats. And day 1 pa lang, girl. Usually, nafe-feel ko itong mga patapos na yung trip. I should be really grateful. I feel so bad that this is how I feel. Anyway, see you later. Okay, it's almost 7 p.m. I'm heading outside. I'm going down. Perfect. We're back. And ito yung binili ko. Just Nutella biscuits and this grape candy. Cause I have medicine that I need to take. Nagkasakit nga ako, di ba? So, yeah. And if you know me, you know that I cannot drink or I cannot take medicine on its own. I need to eat something. Uuhawin ko yung sarili ko. Kakain ako. Tsaka ako iti-take yung gamot. Then I will drink water. Ganon. Like, inuuhaw ko yung sarili ko. Kasi kung hindi, my gag reflex is so bad, I will just end up not taking the medicine. Yun lang. Then, shower time. Then, tulog na. Sayang wala talaga ni YouTube too. It's so plain. Yun lang. Bye. Okay, I'm done taking a shower. I also blow dried my hair na para ready to go to bed. Good night. Good morning. It's my day 2 and I just finished getting ready. I'm gonna head down for breakfast. This is my outfit. Very simple lang. Yeah. Hopefully, hindi ganun kalamig sa labas. Kasi ginawa ko. Guys, ang lamig.
Tinulog ko, marami akong...
Mali. Ang lamig, guys.
It's your band photo.
Forgot to film, pero tapos na kaming mag-lunch. I ate chicken with rice and vegetables. And wintermelon tea. Now we're heading back to the car to go somewhere else.
Yes, I was born in 1983. Huh? You? Yeah, me. I paid for it. Mamaya na sa
You guys sit there and we can picture with this, alright?
Next location. What's this? Chocolate. Thank you.
Okay, chocolate. Okay, 谢谢。
I'm gonna need to eat this. Mmm.
Parang sa peanut tea. Hazelnut.
Ice cream time. If you want to see, go second floor, alright?
Okay, sister. Where's the van?
The bed, this is the bed.
Van.
B-A-N-K.
B-A-N. Car. Because of that. Okay.
I just got back here from the tour and I'm just waiting for their message because we're gonna head out again for a night out. Pero ang binili ko lang dun ay ito. Ito yung biggest box available ng lemon cake. I got to try it for the first time and it was good. So I got a box. One thing I like about my trip now is malaki na yung luggage ko, so I won't feel sikip sa mga bibilin ko. Okay, mamaya pa yung night out, so I'm planning on heading out muna on my own. I'll just buy some stuff that I need. Here at this store, you say, and I got a scarf. And we're back. Mini haul, I got this thin scarf and a bunch of these because they're so cute. And the essentials. Baba na ulit ako for the night market. It's a different night market naman. Hindi to yung pinuntahan ko.
Or dapat yung malapit lang kasi hindi mo
Going down again. Update, nakatambay lang ako dito sa lobby. Like yung common area. People watching lang. Ganon. While finishing my what's this again? Wintermelon lemon drink. There's a little bar here. Connected siya dito sa hotel. And there are people inside. It's a Wednesday and there are people inside. And I'm tempted to go in and have one drink. But maaga pa kasi kami bukas. And kagabi, maaga naman akong natulog. Like after kong maligo, after mag-dry ng hair, natulog naman ako. Pero I still overslept. Parang nag-alarm ako mga 7 a.m. Pero I still woke up at 8. So, yeah. Kahit na matagal yung tulog ko, matagal pa rin yung time that it took me to actually wake up and get ready. So, yeah, I might do it like maybe on our... Oh no, I don't have time now on our free day. Maybe tomorrow. Yeah, kapag gusto ko pa tomorrow, then it means it's the go time. Tomorrow we're going to B2. And, yeah, hopefully hindi umuulan bukas. And hopefully makabalik din kami ng maaga. Kanina kasi maaga, like, parang mga before 8. Nandito na kami. And I had time to go around Ximending. And I wanna go back to Ximending and explore more alone. Feels good to be exploring the area alone. Yeah. Okay, for now, I'll go up. See, ito yung common area. Like, people are sitting around. My free drinks then. But I already have my drink, so yeah. I think I'll go up na. Remove my contacts. I'm so sorry to Iconic. I know they told me don't use your contacts over 8 hours, but I promise I rehydrate my lenses every few hours. Okay. Good night. Bye. This is my breakfast. I just went for the safer options, but don't wanna get a lot. I'm heading back to the hotel lobby because I'm late. Sabi ko kasi. Bakit nakakawala lang sila? Bakit? Over there. I like doing that. For the job.
Ay, ang bigat ko naman. Grabe. Ang laki ng impact ngayon. Like,
Thank you so much.
actually, if ay! Hot kaya? Hot. Wait.
Thank you.
can see. But I wanna head back down again to explore again alone. Shimending pa rin cause yung malapit-lapit. But I'm just charging my pocket wifi konti. Cause lubat na siya. And yeah. I enjoyed today a lot. Like, enjoy ko talaga siya. The only thing is, my outfit is not really the most appropriate kasi nga, I'm super lamigin and I should have, you know, went all out with my outfit. Talagang lalamig talaga ako, sis. Yung tour guide namin, he was asking if I'm okay kasi alatang nanginginig ako sa lamig. He even offered me his extra raincoat, but hindi ko na kinuha kasi I was taking photos. And he offered me this hand warmer. It was so helpful. Pero honestly, nung nandun kanina, it felt like nothing. Like, may konting warmth, pero now that I'm back here, parang mas mainit pa siya yung pakiramdam niya ngayon. Because, kanina talaga, sobrang lamig siguro, kaya hindi ko siya maramdaman gaano. But yes, yun lang. It was so fun. The entire time I was thinking, oh, my lola would like this. Kasi siya yung mahilig sa mga parks, mga konting walks, upo-upo. Yeah, she would have liked that. But, anyway. So, I got a few stuff. Nasaan yun? Got a few stuff. I also sent a postcard to myself. So, yeah, I just wrote the address. Got a little postcard na may cat design. I got some stickers. And this one also from the hot spring. Yeah, yun lang yung bila ko. I'll be heading back down because another thing that I forgot a lot of things, is my lip balm. Like, my lips is so dry because of the cold. Yeah. And what else? My nose is getting red because it's so cold talaga. Well, for me, it's super cold. But for other people, like, baka aircon temperature lang. Pero for me kasi, sobrang lamig. Like, my hand was freezing. Buti na lang talaga. This is such a lifesaver. Like, may konting warmth naman siya kanina. But, feeling it now. Talagang, yeah. Also, my nail popped off. I was climbing kanina dun sa kasi I wanted to sit down. I took a photo. I was sitting down dun sa parang fence. And my nail popped off. Ganda ng focus dito, huh? Maybe it's the lighting. But yeah, I'm just charging my pocket wifi ng konti. Then I'll head back out. Kasi mahalaga pa rin yung pocket wifi for me because of Google Maps. Because kahit na malapit lang yung Shimending, girl, I'll forget kung saan ako nanggaling. Okay, I've waited long enough, which was like 5 minutes. I'm heading back outside na I took off my contacts because tama na yung pagpapanggap. Okay, see you downstairs. We're here. Ang dami nang nagsarang stores, guys. At wala nag-aanong tao. So, it's a sign. Pinapauwi na ako siguro, I think. Basta din yung cash ko. I mean, may mga barya pa. Tapos siguro mga 800, ganun. Pero, yeah, so enough na. I'll just go get the bomb. So, ang pangalan ng store na yun, yung beauty store. Actually, gusto ko mag-ano dito. Wait, na-distract ako.
gusto ko dito. Ano po kay Alden? Magkano? Paano ba to? Paano ba to? Okay, ito gusto ko to. Wait. Okay, let's see. I think it's this one. Yeah. You can just pop it out. Is this a keychain? Yeah, it's a keychain. Okay na. Isa lang. Unless last one, magpapalit ulit ako. This is so delikado. Wait. So, I'm back. Honestly, nabitin ako. Like, I wanna walk more kasi naiihi na ako, sis. Yung original na reason why I went out was I need lip balm. Kasi nga nag-crack talaga siya, sis. Sobrang lamig. Kaso ang mahal ng lip balm. Pagbili ko naman sa Pilipinas, madami naman akong lip balm. So, moisturizer na lang ulit. Kaya yan. Mini haul. I got one top from this brand. Because sabi ko nga, bibili ako ng mga like from local brands. Pero ito lang nabili ko, tsaka yung scarf. But yeah. And then I got this. And a lot of snacks for pasalubong. Kasi gusto ko i-layout na siya dyan. Kasi bukas we'll check out early. So, para naka-ready na siya. Like, di na ako bibili at mag-aayos ulit. So, yeah. Yun yung gagawin ko tonight. I wanna go back to 7-Eleven sa kabila. Hindi ko pa napupunta yung 7-Eleven doon. So, thinking about it. Yeah, I have some barya pa. Sige, bababa ako. Tapos pag may ATM na din doon, makakapag-withdraw na ako ulit. Okay, wait lang, bababa ako ulit. Meron dito nitong relay. So, I'll try this. And, hello. Binalik ko yung creme brulee because wala. Sinukumusang pa ako and hindi pa ako nakakain sa hotel room. So, binalik ko siya. Feeling ko natatakam lang ako sa creme brulee and it doesn't look that good din naman. So, I put it back and I'm going to another 7-Eleven. Wala lang. Because, ayun pa ako like, gusto ko pa sulitin yung last night. Kaso, puro sarado na yung mga stores. Yeah, just walking around the area. I'm back at the hotel, pero hindi sa lobby, sa common area. Siguro akit ako mga 12. My luggage is ready, my bags are packed, and I'm ready to go. Napagod ako pagpapak nito. Bigat, ningal ako. Wait, check ko muna yung toilet. Baka may nalimot ako. Okay, wala naman. Okay. Okay, great. Magti-TikTok vlog na ako, so baka ito na yung last vertical clip ko for now. Pero, yeah. Ay, check out na. Hello? Hello? Hindi siya nasagot. Pero yeah, I guess it's a sign. Check out the girl. Okay. Bye. Baba na ako.